It is our last trip to Costco Docklands as it's closing today, and I'm so excited. I've been here for about 13, 14 years. Just come up here and just get milk and bread. I miss the stairs, miss the sheltered walkway and the views of the city. Guess what? They're giving away free croissants. Levi's got the card and going to scan in. Last time entering the place. Oh, Docklands. Oh, look, no TVs. Mates are on sale. Everything 50%. Crazy. Last time we were queuing up. Really miss it.
Our last
Check this out.
transaction in Docklands.
Friendly staff is telling us this.
Really? In the video.
Somebody asked me, what's the last shop?
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, yeah, sure.
Alright, what's the...
Yeah, I'll miss it. But you know what I'll miss most? Sitting there in the tiny cafeteria with the views of the now boring view. Goodbye.